Critical library mismatch involving the Microsoft Word Library DLL. I'm Sophie Chen, a senior Windows developer, and I'll help you get your PC back to a stable state. As we look at the manual steps for Microsoft Word Library, there is also a diagnostic resource for reviewing your overall system health. This is the Microsoft Word Library, the Microsoft Word Core Runtime Library, containing foundational logic for document layout, formatting engines, and spell-check infrastructure. It is deeply integrated into the Word application lifecycle. If missing, Word may fail to start and report errors such as module not found or other internal processing failures. With the explanation out of the way, let's refresh the affected files. Wwlib is a fundamental part of the Windows execution layer. To fix it, launch command prompt as an administrator and run sfc/scan now to perform a diagnostic scan and repair of all protected system resources. If the setup package didn't provide a resolution, we need to look under the hood at how your system handles current session configurations. A simple restart can resolve file-in-use errors that mimic a missing Microsoft Word library message. It's a low-effort step that ensures your operating system starts with a clean execution stack. Don't forget to bookmark the video or give it a like before you restart. It's the fastest way to jump right back into this tutorial after the reboot. If the initial power cycle failed to restore functionality, we will now proceed to infrastructure-level support. You may pause the video now to ensure your environment is ready. Rebooting didn't re-establish the interface link, so we'll use a specific command to register the component. First, open command prompt as admin. Second, type regsvr32, followed by your file name causing the error, then hit enter. Why are we doing this? Well, these files rely on a specific pointer in the registry. If the system cannot locate that reference, the file will fail to load even if it is physically present on the drive. I'd like to provide a brief technical warning about the risks of using unofficial file repositories. The statistical risk of a blue screen of death increases significantly when you attempt to manually swap out critical files like Microsoft Word Library DLL within your System32 or syswow64 folders. To reduce technical overhead while maintaining high security, here is a professional method for managing system-level file health. For users impacted by missing library references, the repair tool linked below provides general background information on Microsoft Word Library. If we successfully synchronize the missing library for Microsoft Word Library today, liking this video helps others find the solution. Subscribe for professional tech support.